welcome to my channel. If you're returning, bless you. Thank you for helping me pioneer in this condition. Hey, listen, I want to take you on a little ride back. When I first started documenting the hiccups, it was in July of 2019. So I'm going to take this second to do a compilation of 2019. So I've been diagnosed with persistent intractable hiccups, choking and breathing spasms. The hiccups are every 3 seconds. 20 per minute, 1200 per hour. The breathing spasms are every 10 to 20 minutes, 24/7. And the choking spasms are extremely erratic. So those are when the esophagus lining the muscle tightens up, literally closes, so that I can't breathe. I can try to suck some air in. It makes a horrible sound, but I can't breathe out. And those will stay stuck for 5 to 30 seconds, sometimes even longer, to the point that your eyes are watering, your nose is watering, you're about to explode. And then I come out of it. But every time it happens, I'm afraid that I'm not going to come out of it. I'm going to actually suffer, even though doctors have assured me that that's not going to happen. But those same doctors don't know how to fix this issue. So, I mean, you take it with a grain of salt. I'm the one living with this, so. And learning to function with this. It's not just a disability, it's a torturing disability. It's constantly torturing. June 20th, 2019, 9:40 a.m. It took me a while to get to the phone. Fucking choking spasms. Yeah, so it's 6:49 a.m. on Saturday, April 13th, 2019. It's been going on since 1:15 this morning. Just in bed. So, every 3 seconds, 20 hiccups per minute, 1200 per hour. Of these, and they're starting to get in my head, so now I don't know what to do. Because I just went out of this body. This is torture. I shouldn't have to live like that. April 29, 2019. It's a Monday. They're going to see if they can actually work on me. There it goes. We're not sure yet. I just took some x-rays. That wasn't very easy to do, but... Oh! I've seen a lot of physicians on this issue over the last 4.5 years since this started. December 9th, 2015, I've seen 2 thoracics, 4 gastroenterologists, ENTs, neurologists, neurosurgeons, throat, speech specialists, everybody. And nobody seems to resolve this issue. They abandon it, scratching their heads, not to really do. I mean, it's just an area, the medical field, people just haven't taken the time to understand. So I'm kind of on my own. I've done a lot of home remedies. This is beyond home remedies. Just tried all kinds of stuff. I mean, Currently, I have 4 physicians working on me simultaneously. I have a gastroenterologist who's written an article in Reader's Digest on hiccups, but his story ends where mine begins. I have a thoracic that was referred to me through MetLife insurance company that has taken this on, thankfully, and as a long-term disability. Just that's a story in itself. Trying to convince them that this is even a medical issue, let alone a disability. It keeps you from work. And I have a primary, of course. And I have a chiropractor that I've been seeing since January 2017, who's actually the only one that seems to take any interest in care. Even taking a loss, I'm not paying him. The insurance company keeps messing with him too, but they can still see me. So I really give the alternative therapies a lot of credit in the care department. So... Sunday, June 23rd, 2019. I've been having mega choking spasms. Some really bad ones in the last couple hours. So it's 13 hours in on April 4th, 2019. What's the time? 2019, April 4th, Thursday. So this is 15,600 of these hiccups. So, for today, 15,600. 1,200 an hour. 20 a minute. So type. Let's calm down. A little. Oh, it's Ash Wednesday, March 6th, 2019 at 4:22 p.m. And it's been kind of trying today. Decided to finally start after I had some of these. Sometimes food starts it, sometimes food stops it. Crackers seem to be a culprit. I love crackers, so this sucks. WhatsApp messages. In the end, I think it's required them to turn over all that information. Let me go back to the cars. It seems to me that is the 38 p.m. on Wednesday, September 12th. Here to pick up has been at the hospital. Okay, that caught me off guard. I didn't know that was going to happen. I was going to say, this is what I'm trying to get back to work. It'll be 2 years this month that I had to leave after working 10 months in this condition. Fuck, I just get out of the car if I get the energy to get out of the car and I'll go home and choke. April 22nd, 2019. Tuesday. I ate choking spasms. And I don't know anybody. I've been introduced to one person over the phone that had this for 8 years. They took care of that through a brain surgery right here. They went in and wrapped 2 of his nerves, phrenic of the vagus nerve with Teflon. But I went to the same surgeon, and that's not the case that I have here, so we knocked that out. but I have never met another person with this condition, long-term condition. We're not talking about having it for a week or maybe a month. This is 8 years of this condition every week. I have not made it past a week ever. So it's 4 to 7 days of episodes every week, year after year. It's just trying to learn to function is a job in itself. This is literally a 24/7 job, dealing with this. Crazy. I just have to turn the camera on. And I expected to get that on May 25th, 2019, Saturday, Memorial Weekend. April 7th, 2019, at 5 p.m. Hiccups been going on since 7:54 p.m. last night, and they've been really aggressive for these choking spasms. They're hard to get on camera. Finally got part of it. In the 4th year, and this is Thursday, March 8th, 2018, 6:59 a.m. Oh my God. I'm having a lot of this again. Tail end of choking spasm. It took me a while to get the phone. Sunday, June 23rd, 2019. I've been having mega choking spasms. Some really bad ones in the last couple hours. Hey, if you could take a second and just hit that subscriber button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you for indulging me. I know you have a lot of choices on here, and choosing my channel is really greatly appreciated. I really thank you very much, and especially watching all the way through. I'm going to leave you with a little clip of me hanging out the doctor's office this morning. Have a good one.